In our childhood, we were told the secret of happiness, but by the time we reach adulthood, we conveniently forget this golden rule for happiness. Hi, my name is Vibhor Kumar Singh, and this is my podcast, Catching Happiness with Vibhor. In this podcast, I help you unclutter from within and find your happiness one day at a time. The single most factor that builds clutter inside us and complicates our life is being dishonest. Dishonesty is the root of a lot of confusion, a lot of complication, and a lot of clutter in our life. Today, we look at age for honesty and see how honesty is actually still the best policy to find your happiness. As we grow into adulthood, our very definition of honesty changes, and honesty becomes opportunity. We are willing to do anything to reach our goals, and this is where honesty gets forgotten. However, you will realize that if you have the courage to be honest, you also have the attitude to find your happiness. These are two things that go hand in hand, and both honesty and attitude are essential ingredients to find your happiness in life. Being honest is not something that is easy because we live in a world that works on manipulation. We live in a world that works on greed. However, if you are honest, you have an edge over everyone else because you are the only one who is able to unclutter from within. You are the only one who is able to see and focus on what exactly is the goal. Honesty helps you shed away that fog and confusion the world loves to envelop all of us in. When you are honest, you know what you are doing. Whereas when you are dishonest, you have to keep remembering what you are doing. And it is this confusion which the mind has to constantly deal with that creates stress, that creates tension, and that takes you away from your happiness. I'm sure we have all seen movies in which a single lie results in a lot of confusion and a lot of chaos. Whether it is portrayed in a comical manner or in a tragic story, the fact remains that being dishonest is never going to lead you to where you want to reach in life. If you are a person who thinks it is okay to cheat and fool other people with your lies, you need to understand that you may meet with success in the short term, but in the long run, the law of karma will always come to bite you. No happiness can be built on an act of fraud, on an act of misrepresentation. Dishonesty can take several forms, some serious, some trivial. Honesty has only one form, and that is simplicity. When something goes wrong, the human mind always wants to find someone to blame. The human mind always wants to find an excuse to justify their own failure. It is at this point that if you are honest, you will know the real reason for failure. And it is only then will you be able to rectify anything that is wrong. This is the simplest use of honesty in practical life. If you keep blaming, if you keep looking for excuses for your failure, you are being dishonest. Be honest to yourself and be honest to the world. This will remove all the confusion from your life. This will remove all the stress from your life. Honesty brings with it peace and harmony that are essential to find happiness. Being honest may have a negative impact on your instant gratifications, but honesty will never affect your true happiness. If you are living in a world of lies, it is time for you to check out from a world of lies and gather the courage to face and confess everything honestly. Have the courage to be honest. Be fearless in sticking to what you think is honesty. We have all become experts in killing our conscience. However, every time that you are being dishonest, you will feel that inner prick. This is the sign for you to stop. I know this sounds old fashioned. If you misuse another person's trust, you are only lowering your own value, you are only lowering your own happiness. Be honest, and you will find everything will be simple. You will find that after initial hiccups, everything will go as per plan. Honesty is not easy. Honesty is not doable by everyone. It is a difficult road to take to find your happiness, but it is an essential road to your happiness. I hope after this episode, you will be willing to identify the lies that you have been living and undo them. Trust me, the childhood knowledge that honesty is the best policy is true, especially when it comes to finding your happiness. Honesty is indeed the best policy for happiness in life. If you are enjoying this podcast, honestly, do share it with anyone whom you think needs to be told that it is easy to find happiness, provided they try and do it one day at a time.